Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. I have a confession to make. Cauliflower is my favorite vegetable. और मेरे घर में cauliflower हर दूसरे दिन बनता है. लेकिन अगर आपके घर में कोई किटी पार्टी हो या अगर आपको अपनी सास को इम्प्रेस करना हो and you want to present that really dramatic head-turning dish on the table, then that dramebaz dish is today's roasted cauliflower. इसमें हम आज ऐड करेंगे फेटा चीज और ग्रीक योगर्ट का क्रेजी ट्विस्ट. विटामिन सी और विटामिन के से भरा cauliflower has actually got the status of being called a superfood. And as you know, feta is actually one of the healthiest types of cheese. So why delay? Let's make our roasted cauliflower. तो हमारे roasted cauliflower के लिए what we need is a kilo of cauliflower. We discard the leaves and इसे हम blanch करेंगे. Blanch का मतलब है we boil the cauliflower in steaming hot water on a high gas with a bit of salt, ठीक है, for around 12 to 15 minutes. And then this is what you get. अब हम इसके लिए marinade बनाएंगे और उसके बाद हम इसे oven में डालेंगे and we roast it. So for the marinade, we need a tablespoon and a half of ghee, a teaspoon of dried anardana powder, half a spoon of sumac powder. Sumac is a Mediterranean spice. Just in case you don't find it, there's no problem. You can use cayenne pepper. Half a spoon of dhaniya, half a spoon of jeera, half a spoon of chilli flakes, sea salt, a big teaspoon of mint, parsley. Just mix it all in. Now take the mixture, just put it over your cauliflower. My oven is already preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. Now we need to just roast this for another 10 to 12 minutes. So pretty. Today I'm going to serve my roasted cauliflower with a really light moong salad, which we've already pre-cooked, steamed, all right? So for this we just need a teaspoon of olive oil, half an onion, we're keeping the salad very, very light. It's a nice summer salad, so not too much happening. Half a spoon of dhaniya, half a spoon of jeera, spoon of the pomegranate seeds, the roasted pine nuts. Now you add in the moong, which we've already, and they're sprouted, we've just steamed it. Add in the cherry tomatoes. And you put it off. I don't want the cherry tomatoes to be cooked. It's just has to be very light and summery, the salad, so just keep it fresh. Add a bit of sea salt, bit of pepper, fresh coriander and some fresh mint. Just toss it all in as a bed for your cauliflower. So I'm using 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt today. You can even use low-fat yogurt if you like. around 50 grams of feta cheese. Just add it in. A tablespoon of lemon juice. Just mix it all in. Mash the cheese in. Some sea salt, a bit of quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Mash it completely, make sure there are no lumps of cheese in it. And now you add in your coriander and your mint. And your feta cheese dip is ready. You just take a bit of feta cheese and you just crumble it. It's really sticky, so it's normal over your salad. And our roasted cauliflower is nearly ready. Wish you could smell it. You guys please use 2 forks. I'm used to doing this. It's really hot. If you'd like, you can even serve it with a bit of the sauce on it. Just garnish it. ये रहा हमारा रोस्टेड कॉलीफ्लावर डिश तैयार. कैसी लगी मेरी ये ओरिजिनल रेसिपी? You know, it makes for a great salad lunch too. And next time you want to impress someone or simply just satiate your hunger, make this dish. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and do write to me and tell me how you like this dish. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.